do.
Say hi, Aunt Cindy. Hi, Aunt Cindy. Wave hi to her. Wave hi to her. There, she's waving hi.
A baby girl.
Smile. Smile for Aunt Cindy. Smile for her. Smile for Aunt Cindy.
Aaron. You wave hi? Wave. Wave, Aaron. Good job. Samantha.
I don't ever take off back.
Sammy.
You can't.
Hi. Huh?
Hi, Aaron. Aaron and Uncle Jack are taking a nap. Oh, no wonder I can't get in. Aaron, say hi to the camera.
Want me to take Sammy?
What are we here for? Say, we're here to see Uncle Mark.
Ready? Oh, you're gonna leave without her. That's okay. Ready?
Here we are at Mark and Deb's lovely little love bungalow the night before they get married. No.
You are from California?
No, yeah. Hey.
Them CDs rule. I like that.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, no cussing or swearing. We're in a dry county.
Oh, I really have couples.
How do I turn this light?
Lori, you're behind. Oh shoot, I'm spot out of batteries. Behind you is this nice brand new bedroom set.
Turn it up a little bit.
A bouncing, lovely bride to be.
I want posterity to remember me as exciting.
Here comes Steve.
Wait a second. Don't do it!
More day!
Oh yeah, everybody's popping here.
Get the Deb popping, but don't get
Oh, Deb's popping them. Oh no! You can popcorn, you can pop somebody in the eye, or you can. I can pop.
Real men pop.
Here, Mark.
Not soda. They pop. You can't just do the single pop. You gotta do.
Oh! It's a Jimi Hendrix pop.
No one's gonna believe we're not drinking.
No, yeah, these guys are sober. Yeah, these guys are sober. Right!
If we were drinking, it would be too cool to do this.
Yeah.
There's Bobby ready for the wedding.
Oh yeah, shoot. Yeah, I see.
Don't take mine.
Give a message to Mark.
Message to Mark. Mark, good luck. Hope to see you in Florida next week.
Did you invite him?
Give a message to Mark, Cindy.
Hi, Marky. I love you. I hope you're happy. Stop it.
Here comes 4 lovely ladies. Or 3. Thought Nikki's hairdo was the 4th. Wave hi to Mark. Give Mark a message.
Hi, Mark. We love you. Hi, Mark. Hi, Mark.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Say, Doombuggy.
Who's that?
Make a ribbon.
Give a message to Mark.
Best wishes.
Uncle Clarence, you got a message for Mark?
Oh, well, we'll give fun to him a little bit here. What
Okay.
should I tell him?
Whatever
That
you
you're an
want.
experienced married lady. I told my son that making his wife happy will make him happy too.
Good.
Is that all right?
I like that.
Wish him a lot of happiness.
Mommy,
Look at Sarah.
You do that?
Hey, Mark.
Hi, Aaron.
Oh, you look nice, Aaron.
Look at them little dolls.
You look nice, sweetie pie.
Look at them dresses.
Oh, all three of them.
Let me just
Give your
get
message
enough
to
light.
Mark before the wedding.
Get enough
What was you
light.
gonna tell me? Get over there with
What you doing to Mark's wedding? Say happy marriage.
Oh.
Huh? Happy wedding.
Friday, Monday,
I can see everybody again. All right, everybody say honeymoon.
Well, I introduced these two 4 years ago, and here they are now. It's been an awful lot of good times and sometimes not so good, but that is life, kind of bittersweet. And I'm sure these two together, there's going to be a lot more sweet than bitter. And I wish them the best. Here, here.
Bingo. Boy, Leona enjoying this pie.
I just thought
Yeah.
she'd enjoy it.
Does Sam have, Dad has Sam? Or Lori?
Oh, I see. Look.
Uh-huh, she's our youngest girl. Saturday
I
night.
believe you said that,
Yes,
had a
on
wedding.
Saturday night, and we started home yesterday, and then we got this far, and so we wanted to stop and bring everybody a piece of pie.
Well, that's awful of you, but you couldn't do that.
Oh, we love to do it. We enjoy
Yeah,
doing it.
I enjoy it.
I know you do, Aunt Marie. Yes, I know it. Boy, she has. She's really enjoying this here today.
Well, I'll take him to my
Okay.
room.
Right, and then you go enjoy bingo.
Okay.
Okay.
Many thanks.
You're welcome. Where's she going? She's gonna go play bingo.
Do you like your pie?
Boy, Aunt
Yeah.
Marie was happy with her pie.
Ann. Hi.
Well, whatever
Oh,
she
there's
is.
your mommy.
What is she?
She's Mom's cousin.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna sit on your side. Come here. Come here. This is my youngest granddaughter. This is Sam. And here's my other granddaughter, and there's the piece of pie.
Let me look at you.
You can't see very well. You have to get real close.
Let me see.
Yeah, come real close so that you can see you.
Let me see. Oh, you look so pretty.
You can't see very well. Oh boy, he's a good one. Isn't he?
Oh, I got some pictures.
I'd rather a paper bag for that here. Don't let that fall out. I can take it down to the room for you if you want me to.
They haven't been given many vitals.
And that's my daughter.
This one?
Uh-huh. That's Lori. Can you see her?
What's his name? Oh, what's his?
Sam.
Sam.
Mm-hmm. That's me.
Samantha, how big are you? So big. Show me, so big.
I've been up to that.
How big? How big?
You want to give Graham a kiss? Ooh.
Oh, Lord, have her hands full.
You think so, huh? Mm. There.
Samantha.
What?
She's learned how to do that.
Show her, Grandma.
What did you say?
It has a tongue.
Starting. She's just starting to talk.
This one.
Sam, you say his name is? Who's here? Who's here?
You're pretty close, Mom.
Yeah, you're a little better. It says light.
Not quite enough light in here. That's all it means.
Yeah, Jason and Darren.
Yeah, I will.
No.
Is that your recommendation? Take that from an experienced mother, huh?
What'd she say?
I'll have to wait a while before my next one.
Oh, yeah, I guess so. That's good advice.
Where are you going, honey? Where are you
Aaron,
going?
stay up, give Grandma a kiss. Give her a kiss and a hug.
Is it
She
running?
doesn't get a lot of those. You need to give her lots while we're here.
Are you recording?
Who's Grandma?
Aaron, give
Where's
Grandma
Grandma?
kisses. Getting some muscles. Oh. Give Grandma a kiss and a hug. Yeah, your arm got wet. Come give Grandma a hug. Aaron. Grandma a hug.
Oh, oh, you're
Okay.
gonna fall down.
Let me pick you up so you can give her a
It
hug.
hurts
Now this is
yourself.
Sam.
Give her a kiss. Give her a hug. There, that's nice.